Hey fellas, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to it's not a park, it's a nature preserve that I remember going to back when I was working at this call center company that I think I mentioned in my previous video. I think it's man-made, so it's not very big, right? But there are some animals in there. I remember I know there's like a bunch of ducks. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see some of them today. But yeah, I'm gonna head back there and see if it's still the same. And I'll take you with me. Let's go. It's a really good day today. About 53 degrees. I'll take it. And noisy cars. So this is where I used to work before in this area. This is my old stomping ground. Jeez, I can't talk. And I remember one day we all just went here in this little nature preserve, just because we can. It's a very short path going through it. So yeah, it's gonna be quick. I just want to see how it looks like during this time of year, again, because never had an option to do it before. Now I do, because why the heck not, right? So let's go. used to work in this area before, we all just went here for lunch, just to relax. And I remember how beautiful these things are. I don't know what these things are called, the plant-based stuff. I mean, it just looks like, and no, they're not wheat, obviously, right? They are not. So, if you know what they are, just go ahead and in the comments. Um, but I remember how beautiful it looks. So, yeah, this is very relaxing, actually. There are some benches in here where you can just sit and relax. It's about 53 degrees today, a little bit sunny, and there's some clouds too, but I think we're gonna have like a little snow again tonight. So today, well, I did look at the weather and I said, you know what, this is a very good opportunity to go back to that nature preserve. I've been to the previous Stingray has been on when I used to work in the area. I love that sound of the wind, the rustling of again, whatever these things are. Um, of course, you hear cars going around because, again, this is like a corporate. There's a bunch of offices in here, like HQ and stuff like that. Um, so yeah. All right, let's move on. So I wonder if we're going to see animals. I know there are some animals in here, especially ducks. Um, I remember when we went here before, there were some ducks swimming um, in the marsh. Yeah, I believe it's a marsh, right? It's a body of water, not too deep, but also it doesn't look clean. That's why I call it a marsh. When I said that, I feel like I'm Gollum. The dead marshes. That's my best Gollum impression. Um, but the water is not frozen, so it's very cool. Yeah, it's a very simple nature preserve with a straight path. Probably gonna come back here in the spring to see how it is. You know what? I'll probably do that. I'll go back to the parks that I've already gone to during this time when it's still winter, be it like a mild winter, and then see how it looks like during the spring. That sounds like one more thing the Stingray can do in his channel. Yay! This water. That is very calming. And again, this channel is about that. Going to these places to help promote mental greatness. And it's working, it really does work. I can listen to that sound all day. Inner peace. All right, folks, this is the end of the path. Too bad there's no animals. There are no ducks and birds here. So it's looking like I'm gonna come back here during the spring or the summer, so I can show you those ducks and birds and all that. I'm saying ducks. I remember that first episode of The Sopranos when Tony Soprano was so obsessed with the ducks. What the hell is up with those ducks? They are really cool creatures. So I totally do understand Tony. Um, all right, so with that, I am going to end this here. Again, go ahead and just do something that'll make you happy, especially if you think it's going to help you mentally. Because again, if that's not working, we won't be able to function correctly. So we take every step to make sure that we are all right up there, whatever it is. All right, folks, I will see you in the next one. If you like the content that I'm making, I'm new to this, so I'm still trying to find traction. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And I also have to take the opportunity to actually get Jollibee because I saw that the line is now manageable. And being at the first Jollibee in Michigan, you just had to do it.